Hello, I'm Dominic, and it's so good to be back again with another video. So the sole purpose of this video is to teach you everything that you need to know about photo retouching using mixer brush tool. I've totally poured out my heart for you guys in this video, which I'm going to give a link to my YouTube channel below it, and I just wanted you to go and check it out and see it for yourself. And I wanted to tell you this one. Success is promised to each one of us. It's now up to us to determine when we want it to happen. So the when is up to us. So I'm advising you right now, this one is your right time to learn. Learn anything that you can observe. Observe all those knowledge and practice them. It is very important. All the likes, the money, and whatever they're just going to fall in place. They're all promised to us. But what we have to do right now is the work, the hard part of it. We have to start building. And that is why I'm going to be consistent on this TikTok page to instruct you to keep moving on and move on and move on. Even if you don't get likes, you don't get support, you don't get whatever that you're thinking is out there that is supposed to be yours right now, just keep moving. Don't mind even about what is popping on around. Just build yourself, and in time, what I've just told you that is promised, you're going to get it. Thank you.